614, counting the Boston Tower, 134.05.
3405, Jazz 614, thanks. Tower Jazz 614, rapid established.
Jazz 614, Boston Tower, following Airbus 319, 1 mile final, runway 27, clear to land.
27, clear to land, Jazz 614.
Tower Delta 1156 is with you on the LS 22 left.
Delta 1156, Boston Tower, traffic landing the crossing runway, runway 22 left, clear to land, hold short of runway 27.
Alright, clear to land, 22 left, hold short, 27, Delta 1156.
Jazz 614 on Echo, hold short of runway 22 left.
Short 22 left on Echo, Jazz 614.
Jazz 614, stop. Delta 1156, go around.
Holding, Jazz 614.
Delta 1156 on the go.
Delta 1156, thanks for that. Climb and maintain 3000, fly runway heading.
3000 runway heading, Delta 1156.
Jazz 614, cross 22 left, shorter 22 right.
Cross 22 left, short 22 right, Jazz 614.
Delta 1156, turn left heading 140, maintain 3000.
Left 140, 3000, Delta 1156.
Delta 1156, contact departure 133.0, and thanks for the quick reaction.
330, you got it, Delta 1156.
Jazz 614, Boston Tower, cross runway 22 right at Echo, contact ground point 9.
Cross 22 right at Echo, point 9, Jazz 614.
Jazz 614, make the left turn to Alpha, join Kilo, and hold short of Echo 1.
Left Alpha, Kilo, short to 1, Jazz 614.
I do have a phone number for you to phone when you have a minute.
What is it for, Jazz 614?
614, possible pilot deviation. I have a phone number for you when you have a minute to copy.
Yeah, ready to copy, Jazz 614.